There, monitor lizard.
And you know that thing cannot able even to hear that sound because they are deaf.
Yeah, when they see the runaway, it's already running away.
They are serious swimmers.
Yes.
Very good swimmers.
But they are poisonous, huh?
No, they are not. They bite you, they don't. But
They are those which looks like these I've seen. They're very much poisonous.
Yeah,
Those are
they call them.
the ones that eat. The alligator. Is it a Komodo? The Komodos, they have bacteria. If they bite you, after 20 minutes, you collapse and they eat you.
That place is rotten.
That's the way of calling it.
No, they don't hear you. They only see.
And you know that thing can make a good fish.
hi, good swimmers. You saw the other one swimming.
This one we used to make traditional. We call it oroto.
Yeah.
The skin.
Yeah, look at the tongue. Very long tongue, huh? Look at that, huh?
This area is like.
Am I blocking you? No? You can zoom, right?
You can see the crocodile going.
No. Monitor
Going. Monitor lizard,
We
I
don't
mean.
have any crocodiles. Don't tell
You
people.
can even hear the
Don't tell-
monitor lizard.
Don't tell people not to
Monitor
come.
lizard, monitoring spirit.
By fear. If they hear,
You can look at the highland I was telling you. This one I'm taking by force. Let me check where will my gate be.
You can go across the.
what is that place called?
That's called Takawiri Island.
Takawiri.
This one here, and then the big one on
People are
behind.
staying there.
People are staying there.
The big one is the Fangano Island.
Which one, Fanga?
The big one.
The big one.
Oh, the big one.
Yeah, this.
It's
one.
not surrounded by the lake, eh?
Yeah,
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. This one's also, there's a gap between this and that one. So this is, it's an island on its own. That one is also an island.
But I'm seeing people that are staying here in this small one.
Yes.
Yes,
people
Takawiri
stay
people stay.
Okay.
Kaya manota mji idaga ni kechu.
Okay, Karunagamani local.
Rusinga, Takawiri, you are allowed.
Quite interesting. Yeah. The lazy birds.
there. The lazy birds.
So, do we go around or we come back the way we came?
No, I want to go around it.
Okay. That will be super. Papa, I need to take a picture.
Me, your
Direction?
master. Why are you leaving? At least my nose can be taken care of.
Pards Island, you better visit this place.
For your good photos, huh?
Yeah. So you need to come to Homa Bay. I make for you glasses that can help you. Sure.
Try mine. Let's try.
Oh, you just I know.
All
I
right,
know.
try. Let's try. Please.
He's an optician.
Please try. Please try. Please.
Yeah, these are for sure sight. For sighted people. You come.
When?
I'll make for you. You know Dore Plaza?
Yes, I know where it was.
Yes, St. James Opticals. Just try to Dore Plaza.
All right.
Yeah. I'll make for you.
All right, I'll appreciate it.
What are these called? These ones? I did the examination. These ones. What's the name of this one?
I've even forgotten. Akuru gitu mage.
These are dogs.
Akucho dugla. Your dugla.
Even ducks.
Yeah,
Even ducks
the
are
ducks, yeah.
are living here.
These are called speckled dove.
Oh, speckled.
They're different from the akuru we know, huh? The one we know, kabisa akuru, is a morning dove.
It's a morning dog.
Not morning. Morning.
For crying.
Yes, for crying.
Morning. Oh, hey.
Morning dog.
Look for you.
Yeah.
Sentire moko be lo gani kongeki.
Yo gorobe ni.
Ye kongeki moko magulo ma green. Kongeki.
This black one.
If you look at this beautiful black one.
That
That's the long-tailed.
And this sparkling one black?
These small blacks,
Uh-huh.
these are the long-tailed cormorants.
Oh,
These long-tailed cormorants, red cormorants, you see the ones with the white chest? Huh?
yes.
Huh? So you see that one with the whole chest white? Huh? Huh?
Yes.
That's a breeding one. A breeding red cormorant.
The tree has even changed the color. There are no eagles here.
The lazy birds.
The eagles, you know what happens? You know the eagles, huh? The eagle family, we have the